Standard Chinese, a modular approach. Numbers Resource Module, Tape 5. On this tape, you'll learn the numbers from 100 to 999. Turn to Display 1 in your workbook. Listen to the speaker read the hundreds numbers.
100、200、300、400、500、600、700、800、900。
The syllable which means hundred, by, is a bound syllable. This means that it never occurs alone, but always with a number in front of it. Repeat 100, 200, 300.
100、200、300、100、200、300。
Notice that the low tone of by triggers some tone changes in the numbers which occur before it. The high tone of yi changes to falling tone, and the low tone of liang changes to rising tone. How do you say 100, 200, 300?
100、200、300。
Notice that the word for two with hundreds is liang. You'll remember that for numbers with 2 up to 99, r is always used. How do you say 20?
20。
How do you say 200?
200。
Now repeat 400, 500, 600.
400、500、600。 400、500、600。
Notice that the low tone of wu changes to rising tone in combination. Now repeat 700, 800, 900.
700、800、900。 700、800、900。
Let's try a short review of these numbers. I'll give you a number in English and you put it into Chinese. Remember the tone changes. 300.
300。
600.
600。
500.
500。
200.
200。
800.
800。
900.
900。
400.
400。
100.
100。
700.
700。
200.
200。
Most of the numbers over 100 are formed according to the principles you've already learned. Listen to the speaker read the numbers in Display 2.
140、222、561、655、747、999。
As you can see, these numbers regularly follow the rules. Try repeating them. First, 140.
140。 140。
Now, 222. Notice the tone changes.
222。 222。
Repeat 561.
561。 561。
Repeat 655.
655。 655。
Repeat 747.
747。 747。
Repeat 999.
999。 999。
Now let's try a short dictation exercise to test your comprehension. Turn to Exercise 1 in your workbook. For each item, the speaker will say a number in Chinese twice. You are to write down the numerals for that number. Then I'll confirm your answer. Let's start. Number 1.
167 167
167. Number 2.
747 747
747. Number 3.
330 330
330. Number 4.
841 841
841. Number 5.
226 226
226. Number 6.
898 898
898. Number 7.
550 550
550. Number 8.
427 427
427. Number 9.
643 643
643. Number 10.
920 920
920. In exercise 2, you have a chance to say the numbers yourself. For each item, you read aloud the number printed there. The speaker will then confirm your answer. Repeat the confirmation. Number 1.
630
Number 2.
543
Number 3.
224
Number 4.
468
Number 5.
770
Number 6.
185
Number 7.
852
Number 8.
292
Number 9.
369
Number 10.
987
Although most numbers in the hundreds are easily formed, there are some irregularities. Turn to Display 3 in your workbook and listen to the speaker read Column 1.
104 202 405 603 709
As you can see, you must use 0, ling, to hold a number's place in the middle of a number. Repeat 104.
104 104
Repeat 202.
202 202
How would you say 405?
405
How would you say 603?
603
How would you say 709?
709
Now listen to the speaker read the second column in display 3.
140 220 450 630 790
Here, it's not necessary to use ling to hold the last place. Try putting the following numbers into Chinese. 104
104
140
140
208
208
280
280
603
603
630
630
Another rule which must be learned for forming numbers over 100 has to do with numbers in the teens. The number 1, E, must be inserted before the number 10. Turn to display 4 in your workbook and listen to the speaker read the numbers.
110 211 312 414 716 918
Repeat 110. Notice that when E modifies the tens, it doesn't change tone.
110 110
Repeat 111.
111 111
How would you say 112?
112
How would you say 214?
214
Actually, with this new rule of adding E before numbers in the teens, forming numbers in the teens over 100 is easy, since they're now formed the same way as numbers 120 or 121. Listen to the speaker read the numbers in display 5.
111 121 131 212 222 232
Now you try it. Read the numbers in display 5 aloud, one by one ahead of the speaker.
111 121 131 212 222 232
Now turn to exercise 3. Read each number aloud ahead of the speaker and repeat the confirmation. Number 1,
101
Number 2,
110
Number 3,
111
Number 4,
270
Number 5,
308
Number 6,
410
Number 7,
555
Number 8,
901。
Number 9.
613。
Number 10.
220。
Number 11.
812。
Number 12.
721。
Exercise 4 tests your comprehension of higher numbers. The speaker will say a number and you circle the correct numerals. The speaker will say each number once at normal speed. Let's start. Number 1.
919。
Number 2.
741。
Number 3.
230。
Number 4.
311。
Number 5.
602。
Number 6.
444。
Number 7.
208。
Number 8.
525。
Number 9.
808。
Number 10.
110。
The answers are on the next page in your workbook. This is the end of the tape. End of Numbers Resource Module, Tape 5.